Okay, we're gonna dive into a Post-it exercise. Okay, for people who are just dealing with kind of a flat edge journal and you wanna have a way to put a tab on it so you can mark your months, this is a really small journal. It's just to hold a couple of months. We're gonna show you how to do those tabs, and we're gonna show you how to make a page of Post-its so that you don't have to carry around something really thick, but in fact, just have the Post-its into your journal. So the first one we're gonna do is we're going to do the small tab Post-its. So Post-its can be like this, or you can actually cut a block thinly so that you can have a nice thin one. But I've indicated with a black pen just the months that we're going to feature. So January, the first 3 letters of each month, February, March, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that Post-it and you're gonna bring it into your month where it starts. This is my first January. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna put it along the bottom actually, because I think it'll look nicer there. I'm going to tape it to the inside of my journal so just the tab sticks out, okay? Again, this is something that's removable, so if you think you've messed up, it's okay, it's just a Post-it, but bring it in so that when I close my book, I'm actually left with just seeing the month. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the February. And I'm gonna do it a little bit higher than the first one I put in, and I can use the actual grids in my journal to help me go a little bit higher so that when I close it, I've got January, February, I'm gonna do my March month. Again, I'm gonna go a little bit higher from my last one. Go on the next 2 up. And I'm gonna put that there. And now you can see, so it's a little bit out of line, but okay, I'm gonna go and fix that right away. I just need to bring it in a little bit more so that it's about the same as the other ones. So there, oh, it's a little bit shorter, but guess what? Nothing's imperfect in life. Now I'm gonna quickly show you how to carry your Post-its with you when you don't necessarily wanna carry a big block like this. You're simply gonna start from the bottom of your page and lay Post-its over top of themselves. And I know what you might be thinking. You might be thinking, well, that's kind of wasting the glue on the Post-it, but actually the Post-it's gonna stay sticking to this anyways. And you're just gonna fold them over themselves one at a time. Take your time, you don't have to rush. You can make cool patterns if you want. There's lots of different ways. You can make it tight or you can make it really wide depending on how many Post-its you wanna put in there. So I'm just quickly putting in a bunch of different ones to show you the idea. And I'm gonna fill this page. Kind of looks pretty, like a flapper dress or something like that, you know? You can do different colors and you can layer them in different styles, but I'm almost at the top here. And my last one. Okay, so essentially I've put about 20, or maybe 15 Post-its on my page. My book now folds shut because I've got it nice and flat. So that's really nice. So now if I decide that I need a Post-it, I can just take the first one in that layer and then I can go ahead and say, okay, I wanna have a Post-it on this page because I wanna write that this is where February is going to begin. Okay, and there I've got my Post-its. I don't have to carry around this thick one and I don't have to worry about not having a storage space in the back. So pretty cool.